Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam. ఏం చేస్తున్నా? నిన్న సాలిడ్ చేసామా కదా? ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి ఏం చేద్దాం? చూస్ చేశారా మీరు? ఎక్సెల్ 3 ఎక్సెల్ 3 ఎక్కడ?
Sir, yesterday we did till 14 sum, sir.
Solids.
Yes, sir.
అక్కడి నుంచి చేద్దామా? ఇంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. చూడండి, ఇది ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఆఫ్ లిక్విడ్ థియరీ చెప్పినా మీరు ఎక్సెస్ 2 వేసిందా లిక్విడ్స్?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఆఫ్ లిక్విడ్స్ లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 31 చూడు. ఇది మళ్ళీ రబ్ చేయడం ఎందుకు రెడీ ఉంది. మీ ఎలైట్ బ్యాచ్ ఉంది కదా, మీ బ్యాచ్ అవ్వలేదు. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 31 లిక్విడ్స్. ఏం తెలుసా అది? ఇదొక హాలోస్ఫియర్ లో లిక్విడ్ ఉంది. యు ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ద టెంపరేచర్. Liquid expands as well as this vessel also expands. Expansion of liquid is more than the expansion of the vessel. Thereby, because of liquid expansion is more, liquid pushing this halosphere from inside to outside. Thereby, the sphere expands. So, net expansion of the liquid is expansion total net expansion of liquid minus when liquid is expanding, Of course, vessel also expands. The expansion of vessel is less compared to liquid. There is a reason liquid is pushing the walls of the vessel. So that pushing will give the pressure exerted by the liquid on the vessel. That is asking us to calculate. So, నేను తీసుకోలేదు ఉన్నాయి కదా అని.
అదే మరి నిన్న ప్యాక్
అదే వేస్ట్
బెండకాయ చేస్తున్నా
పాలకూర పప్పు పెట్ట కదా
టిఫిన్ మరి ఇంటి పిండిని పెట్టేశారా
ఇట్లా పెట్టా. సో డెల్టా వి అంటే V gamma L delta T minus. This is volume expansion of liquid. So volume expansion of liquid అంటే delta L అంటే L alpha delta T. Delta V అంటే V gamma delta T minus delta V of solid అంటే ఈ vessel V gamma S delta T. So net expansion V delta T common. Gamma L minus gamma S. So delta V by V, delta T into gamma minus gamma S ante solid 3 alpha. Manaku telusu bulk modulus equal to delta P by delta V by V. So delta V by V ante delta P by K. So delta V by V place lo delta P by K ikkada pettina. Delta T. But అడిగింది డెల్టా పి అడిగిండు కే ఇట్ వస్తుంది అదేనా
Yes, sir.
లిక్విడ్ చేద్దామా సాలిడ్స్ చేద్దామా
सर वो कंटिन्यू करो सर्कल का.
लिक्विड्स ले 31 बाद में नहीं बोलते देखो कॉपी कर टाइम वेस्ट हो जाता ना प्लीज right solids term lo kya 13th problem expansion of solids 13th problem. A pendulum clock gives correct time at 20 degrees Celsius at a place where G is 10. Okay. Now pendulum consists of a steel rod connected to heavy ball. It is taken to different place. You are shifting the pendulum from one place to another place. But even then, time period is same is at a place. Time period is 2 pi root length at 20 degrees by G. What is the value of G at that place? 2 pi root 2 pi. This is length at what? T degrees. By G how much? 10.01. He's asking what is the temperature. So square करे तो L20 by 10. LT is L20 into 1 plus alpha into T minus 20 by 10.01. So 10.01 by 10. 1 plus alpha into T minus 20. This is 10 by 10 plus 0.01 by 10. T minus 20. This is 10 by 10, 1 cancel. This is 10 to the power of minus 3. What is the value of alpha? 10 to the power of minus 5. T minus 20. So this is minus 3, this is minus 2 रहता. Minus 2 इधर आया तो 100. T equal to 120. Next in D12. A pendulum clock 5 seconds fast at a temperature of 15 degrees. So at 15 degrees, 5 seconds fast. At 30 degrees, 10 seconds slow. Okay? Then, at what temperature it runs with correct time. So, let T be the temperature at which clock shows correct time. Okay? So this is 15 degrees, 5 seconds slow, fast. At some temperature, that is half into alpha into T minus 15 into 86400. It is 5 seconds fast. Okay? And this is higher temperature. Half into alpha into T minus T. This is 10 seconds slow. So this is cancelled. 5, this is half. So, going to 2t minus 30. 30 minus 10. 3t equal to 60, t equal to. At 20 degrees, it shows correct time. Next question number 11. You want to do iron rod of length 50 centimeter. Iron rod. We joint aluminum rod of length 100 centimeter. This is alpha 1, this is alpha 2. So all the measurements refers to 20 degrees. Coefficient of the average alpha of the two combined rods. So when you increase the temperature, whatever the expansion of this or expansion of this will be total expansion. So L alpha delta T. What is the expansion of this? L1 alpha 1 delta T, L2 alpha 2 delta T. Right? Then L is how much? Total length. L1 plus L2 into alpha. So alpha average is L1 alpha 1 L2 alpha 2 by L1 plus L2. First the rod enta 50 anta. Alpha enta ayundi 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6. It is 100. This is 24 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 50 plus 100, 150. కదా ఎంత అవుతుంది 51 50 2 53 కదా 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 1 plus 4 కదా by 3. 3 4s. Then the 20 into 10 to the power of minus 6 కదా average quotient of linear expansion of the two rods combined is this. Question number 10. Two uniform metal rods of length L1 and L2 and their coefficients alpha 1 and alpha 2 to form a single rod. When the temperature of combined rod rises by T, length of each rod increased by same amount. Same question again, but he is telling he wants the value of alpha 2 by alpha 1 plus alpha 2. Question number 10. So he has given that the expansion delta L, expansion of the first rod is L1 alpha 1 delta 2. Expansion of second rod also same another. Okay. Then now you just substitute. What is alpha 2? Alpha 2 is how much? Delta L by L2 delta 2. Alpha 2 is delta L by L2 delta T. Divided by alpha 1. Delta L by L1 delta T. Delta L by L2 delta T. Delta T delta L cancel. It's all cancel. 1 by L2 by 1 by L1 plus 1 by L2. So this is L2 plus L1 by, this is 1 by L2. So L1 L2 by L1 plus L2. The L1 by L1 plus L2. First option. Right? Question number 9. Better now?
Yes, sir.
There is some change in the length when 3300 force is applied on the steel rod of area. The change in temperature required to produce same elongation as the steel rod. See, elongation due to expansion. Thermal temperature is this. So whatever the elongation produced due to temperature, same elongation should be there due to stress by application of the force. What is that? You know, delta L by L. What is the delta L by L? This could write to delta L by L is alpha delta. This is F by YA. Correct? This is due to stress. This is due to temperature. He is telling that both are same, this and this. So, alpha delta T equal to F by YA. Delta T equal to F by Y alpha A. So, how much? Force is how much? 33,000. By Y is how much? 3 into 10 to the power of 11. Alpha is how much? 11 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Area of cross section 10 to the power of minus 3. Right? So this is minus 3, minus 9. And then you take it up 100. 100, this 100 cancel. So 11, 30 to the 3, 10. So delta T is 10 degrees. Hello? See the question number 8. A steel rod of length 5 meter is fixed rigidly between two supports. What is the stress developed? Stress in the F by is by alpha
Alpha
delta.
delta T.
Substitute చేస్తారా? Easy అండి. Alpha is 12 into 10. మీరు మీకు చేస్తే మీకు మంచి అదుంటుందా? నాతో చేస్తున్నారు. ఇది 40. Some number you will get. Next. Question number 7. A meter rod of steel corrected 0. Okay. So meter rod means 1 meter. This is temperature is 0. Okay. Another meter rod, same material, corrected 30. This is at 30 degrees. This is at 0 degrees. Both are 1 meter. Okay. What is the difference in the length at 20 degrees? So, dono, you are taking to 20 degrees. ये 20 डिग्री ला रहे हैं, ये भी 20 डिग्री ला रहे हैं.
हाँ
क्या होता है? 20 डिग्री ला रहे तो एक्सपैंड होता, ये कंट्रैक्ट होता, नहीं?
यस सर.
कितना एक्सपैंड होता? इसका L dash equal L A is equal to L कितना 1 meter 1 plus alpha into 20 minus 0. ये क्या होता है? L B 1 plus alpha
10.
30 minus 29 20 minus 30, correct? Final temperature minus emission.
यस सर.
तो ये क्या होता है? ये 1 plus 20 alpha. This will be 1 minus 10 alpha. Correct?
यस सर.
दोनों का डिफरेंस पूछ रहे. LA minus LB कितना? ये 1 plus 20 alpha minus 1 minus 10 alpha कितना?
30 alpha.
20 alpha 10 alpha 30 alpha.
Alpha दिया सर.
So what is alpha? 12 into
10 to the power of minus 6.
आप हाईलाइट वाला नहीं कर रहे थे, सार बहुत चिल्लाते. आप करें तो आपको मार्क्स आता. मैं बोल रहा हूँ. So when you read and do it, no, your brain will be under. Brain gets tortured. कैसा आता, वो कैसा आता, वो टार्चर से आप डेवलप होता. समझ गया ना? द टॉर्चर ओनली इंपॉर्टेंट. बाप मारे तो बेटा अच्छा होता ना.
Yes.
ऐसा स्पून फीडिंग करे तो आपको मार्क्स नहीं आता. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, छोड़ देना बच्चों को. आप बच्चे करके डाउट्स पूछना, तब मजा आता. हाँ, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. A steel tape is calibrated 20 degrees. Okay. Steel tape कहाँ बनाया कहते? 20 डिग्री में बनाया है. But you are measuring at what? -10. देखो. So tape is made at 20 degrees. Okay. Tape is made at 20 degrees. Now temperature of the day is how much?
-10.
Correct? So you are measuring it -10. So आप टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं. टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं तो क्या होता है?
Contraction.
कंट्रैक्ट होता है स्केल.
Yes.
नजदीक रहे, पूरा नजदीक आ जाता. सो तब क्या होता? स्केल इतना बड़ा, स्केल इतना छोटा होता. When you measure, you will get your observed reading is more. Observed reading is more than your correct reading. Correct? मालूम है? नहीं मालूम? आइडिया नहीं है? पूछना, आइडिया नहीं.
मालूम है सर.
समझ गया?
Yes sir.
हाँ, चलो. So observed reading is less than correct reading. So क्या होता? Correct reading is equal to observed reading minus error.
Delta L.
So L naught minus L naught alpha delta theta. Right?
Yes.
He is asking what percentage error पूछ रहे हैं. Error with percentage error means error by observed reading into 100. Error is L naught alpha delta by L naught into 100. So alpha कितना है? 12 into 10 to the power of -6. Right? Delta T कितना है? 20 minus 10. 30 degrees. होता ये 36 बन गया -3.036. Correct? Our fifth question. The length of each rail is 10 meter. Each rail is 10 meter. Linear expansion of the steel 12 into 10 to the power of -6. Okay. Length of each rail is 10 meter. Range of variation of temperature at the given place is 15. Okay. The gap is to be left between the rails. So कितना जगह छोड़ना बोल रहे, gap between the two rays कितना, delta L equal L alpha delta, correct? So जितना expand होता है उतना gap निकालना पड़ता है. So what is that? 10 alpha is 12 in 10 to the power of -6, correct? Into 15, correct? Huh? कितना है? 15 into 12. 12 5s are 60. 12 1s are 12, 80, 180. 180 और ये 0 भी है. 10 to the power of -6. कितना? 1.8 in 10 to the power of -3.
-3.
1.8 means 0.0018
001.
meter. चलो ठीक है. Next, fourth question. Question number 4. Distance between the two places is 200 kilometers. 200 kilometers, okay. Alpha of the steel is 12 into 10 to the power of -6. Okay. Total space that must be left between the rays to allow the change in temperature is asking delta L. L alpha delta T. Okay. This is per degree Celsius. So, what is the change in temperature? C by 5 equal to F by 9, correct?
9.
So, C equal कितना है? 5 by 9 F, no?
Yes.
Delta C 5 by 9 delta F. So कितना?
117 minus 36.
117 minus 36 कितना? 1 11 8 huh?
Yes, sir.
8 81 9 9s are A45, correct?
Yes.
200 kilometer. Alpha is 12 into 10 to the power of -6 into 45. 45 twos are 9,000. 12 into 10 to the power of -6. 108 into 10 to the power of -3. So 0.108 kilometer. Correct?
Correct. Yes, sir.
Question number 3.
सर एक्सरसाइज 2 में एक डाउट था सर, 28 वाला.
ये हो गया ना?
हाँ सर, एक्सरसाइज 2 में एक डाउट था, 28.
28, it says 2. 28 liquids का?
सॉलिड्स का.
हाँ, solids. हाँ. D0 equal to DT, D100 into 1 plus gamma 100. Gamma आता, gamma आने के बाद divide by 3 कर देंगे अभी. एक सेकंड. Third, an hypothetical scale X है. Ice point is 40.
सर वो कर दिए सर वो.
पूरा कर दिए?
हाँ सर, ऑलरेडी ट्यूसडे कर दिए सर.
नो डाउट नो.
No, sir.
हाँ एग्जाम में आए तो परेशान है सर, वो नहीं करा बोला तो चिल्लर रहता, इज्जत चला था. इससे अच्छा है सुसाइड अच्छा है. इज्जत नहीं जाना, शान से जीना बस. 2 रुपए रहने दो, कुछ भी नहीं होता, शान कम नहीं होना. हाँ चलो एक्सरसाइज 2. एक्सरसाइज 2 कहाँ है आप लोग का? क्वेश्चन नंबर 28.
28 डाउट है सर.
चलो ठीक है. Exercise 2, 28. See, now d0 equal to dt into 1 plus gamma t. So, d0 is 11.34 and d100 is asking, density of lead 100 is asking 1 plus gamma is 28 into 3. Why 3 alpha, no?
Yes sir, yes.
10 to the power of minus 6 into 100.
ओके सर, मैं कर लेता हूँ.
अब कर लेना. 84 into 10 to the power of minus 4. D100 1.0084. So D100 11.34 by 1.2074. 1134 into 10 to the power of 10084 into 10 to the power of 13400 by 10084. अब करो.
ओके सर.
कैलकुलेटर रहता मारो. हाँ नेक्स्ट. डोंट यूज द कैलकुलेटर. एग्जाम में नहीं रहता ना, प्रैक्टिस नहीं होता आपको. हाँ
हाँ सर. एक्सपेंशन ऑफ लिक्विड्स करना है ना सर, एक्सरसाइज 3 का.
हाँ वो शुरू करेंगे. ओके
Yes.
लिक्विड्स. सो हम पीछे से आएंगे. राइट
30.
31 हो गया. 30 करना. ठीक.
हाँ सर.
Ay, hindi mo. Teka, muna natin.
लेना समझ सा निकलेगा तो ಅದೇನು ಕಲಿಪತ್ತೆ. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. सी क्या हो रहा, अगर कोई सॉलिड हम लोग लिक्विड में डाले तो क्या होता? Some solids will suppose floating, means some volume. A volume is inside the liquid, बाकी का volume पूरा outside है. So what is the force? What is the Weight of the solid downwards, weight mg. Force exerted by this liquid. Force exerted by this liquid on this body in upwards is buoyancy. Correct? So, when the body floating, नोट्स अच्छा मेंटेन करो. कई बोले थर्ड राउंड भी रहता, वो टाइम में पढ़ाई नहीं रहता, खाली डाउट्स. ऐसा टीचर ऐसा रहते, अब डाउट्स पूछे तो बोलते, ऐसा नहीं करते. ये रिविजन पे भी नहीं करते अच्छा बच्चे, मगर वी आर डूइंग सीरियसली. व्हेन बॉडी इज फ्लोटिंग क्या होता, buoyancy of thrust is equal to weight. Buoyancy means volume inside the liquid into density of liquid into g. This is volume of the body, density of the body into g. So volume inside the liquid by total volume of the body. This is d by dl. This is called F. This is fraction of body inside the liquid. Fraction of the body inside the liquid is this, d by dl. Suppose at temperature T1, this fraction is F1. This is d1 by dl1. d1 क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, d0 क्या है फॉर्मूला, dt इंटू 1 प्लस गामा टी. dt क्या होता, dt क्या होता, d0 by 1 प्लस गामा टी होता, नहीं. So d1 means d1 equal d0 by 1 plus gamma solid. Clear? Next, at temperature F2, T2, F2 can d2 by dl2, दोनों डिवाइड करो, क्या होता है आपको d1 by dl1, d2 by dl2, d1 d2 cancel. Why? He told that solid whose volume does not change, and the solid का volume change नहीं हो रहा, volume mass does not change, volume not changing, so density of solid remains constant. Only density of liquid is only changing. So F1 by F2. What is the density of liquid at D2? D2 equal to D0 by 1 plus gamma T2. Next D1. D1 means D0 by 1 plus gamma T1. इसका समझ गए ना, D0 cancel, 1 plus gamma T1 by cross multiply करो, F1 gamma T2, F2 plus F2 gamma T1. So F1 by F2 equal to F1 minus F2 is gamma into F2 T1 minus F1 T2. So gamma equal to क्या होता, F1 minus F2 by F2 T1 minus
F1 T2.
समझिए ना?
Yes.
पूरा ले लो, कैसा आ गया पूरा एक्सप्लेन करा मैं। Two liquids P and Q of masses 103 grams and 204 grams are heated. So gamma apparent equal to mass of liquid expelled by remaining mass of liquid into changing temperature. This is the formula, correct? So, first for P, mass of liquid कितना expel करा? 3 gram. First initial mass कितना है उसका? 103. So 103 minus 3 into change in temperature. So 1 by 3 by 100 delta T. Make gamma Q. How much mass expelled? 4 gram. By 204 minus 4. So 4 by 200 delta T. So what is that? 3 by 100 delta T. 200 delta T by 4. Correct?
सर वो थोड़ा ब्लर है सर.
वही क्लीन करना. 100 800 2 2 sir. 3 by 2 means gamma P greater than. So कोफिशिएंट ऑफ किसका ज्यादा है? P का ज्यादा है. Right? और कौन सा? क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 था.
Yes. The vertical glass tube closed at the bottom contains mercury at a height of 100 centimeter at 30. Height of mercury column at 50.
Huh? Closed at bottom contains mercury. Height of the mercury is how much? 100 centimeter. Height of mercury column at 50 पूछ रहे नहीं?
हाँ सर.
So height of mercury column at ये 30 degrees में है. क्या पूछ रहे? He's asking 50 degrees में कितना है? That's the question. So क्या करना? आपको गामा अपैरेंट मालूम है ना? So what is the gamma apparent? Gamma real minus gamma vessel. Real mercury कितना? 18 into 10 to the power of -5. Minus इसका 0.8 into 10 to the power of -5. 18 minus 0.8 कितना है? 10 minus 8 is 2. It is 7. 17.2 in 10 to the power of -5. This gamma apparent equal to what? What is given? Huh?
Sir,
Height of the mercury.
there బియ్యంగాడి పెట్టినప్పుడు సాయంత్రం మనం బుక్స్ పెట్టి ఒకసారి అన్ని పెట్టుకున్నాం దోశ
Okay.
కడిగి పెట్టేసిన నేను
Ah.